Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download, install and use WPS Office for free. Using WPS Office is an excellent choice for accessing a free, versatile Office suite. And this is a step-by-step guide to download, install and using them. So first, you can just visit the official website of the WPS office, or you can also open the Microsoft Store. Here I'm going to open the official website. Let's just go to WPS office in here, this one. So you can choose the version of for your device. In this case here, I'm going to just tap on the free download since I'm on my computer. And after that, you can just locate the installer file. Locate the downloaded file in your downloads folder and double click it. But for me, I personally got this WPS on the Microsoft Store. So if you are using Windows computer, you can also do the same. You can just search for the apps in the WPS, and once you found it, you can just download it and install it on your computer. And after you download the application, you can just open it and you can create an account. So here I'm going to open the WPS office. Here you can just sign up for a free account using your email. So I've already signed in onto my account in here. So you can just log in to access cloud storage and extra templates. Here you can also explore the key features. You can open the app and you'll see tools like Writer or Docs, and then Slide, Sheets, and PDF. Here you can click on New to create a blank document, spreadsheet, or presentation. And you can also use template library to start pre-designed layout. You can see these are the templates. And you can also use the WPS cloud services. You can save file to WPS cloud for easy access across devices. So you can use the WPS mobile app or web version to edit documents on the go. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.